5 tips for making your visualization even more powerful. Visualization has been used by sportsmen, entrepreneurs, and entertainers to achieve their biggest dreams. Successful people from Tiger Woods to Jim Carrey have acknowledged that visualization was their secret sauce to reach their goals. There are all sorts of ways you can supercharge your visualization to make your dreams of success happen. Here are 5 expert tips to make yours from. 1. Write it all down. Writing your dreams down on paper is a powerful way of making them more concrete. Instead of vague plans to be successful or have a better job, you can turn your desires into a compelling mission statement. The process of writing helps you to think about what you really want. Think about your values, your secret desires, and write them down. 2. Rewrite your inner monologue. Everyone has an inner voice pretty much all the time. Your inner monologue is influenced by the messages you got in your childhood and from the outside world. Step back for a minute and think about what your inner voice tells you. Is it encouraging? Or do you have a negative mindset that tells you you'll never cut it in the big world? Add positive messages to your visualizations and turn your inner voice into a pep talk. 3. Put yourself in the picture. The beauty of creating visualizations is being able to tailor them to your own personal values and desires and to put you front and center. See yourself winning that scholarship or getting that promotion. Make your own success movie, written, directed, and starring successful you. 4. Build a timeline in your imagination. It can be discouraging when you dream of your future successes and come back to the reality of your present. Instead of focusing on the gap between now and achieving your goals, build a pathway of short, medium, and long-term goals that show you the way. 5. The devil is in the details. When you're imagining your successful life, spare no expense on the detail. That's where the juicy reality is. Don't just imagine yourself getting that promotion. Imagine telling your partner and friends that you got the job of your dreams. Imagine every detail of your new office, your desk, your executive chair, the view from the picture windows. Think about your new route to work, being in the elevator, walking down the corridor, and opening your office door. See your name on the door plaque. Make it as real and as detailed as you can.